Chase has done so much for me in terms of my business and everything that I've been trying to achieve over the last year. As a recent college graduate in June, learning the skills has allowed me to do this as my full-time job, which is awesome. So I found Chase last year when I picked up my first client, when I was trying to get into the Facebook ad space, but I really didn't have a good understanding of how to do it and the actual fundamentals of Facebook ads. So found Chase through his YouTube videos, learned a lot just from those, and I really enjoyed how he was putting out a lot of just organic content for people to learn themselves. And so I was attracted to that, and I eventually bought his course where it opened up a whole new world of just how to structure campaigns, how to scale campaigns. And so I actually joined his program where you can have access to him directly. Twice a week, I got access to work with him with our client accounts and walk through it in real time. And that's really what separates Chase from these other people who teach Facebook ads or show you what to do is you can actually have access to him personally and go through these specific accounts and talk about real problems that you are seeing at that moment. Because there's so many things with Facebook where, tomorrow's problem is not going to be the same problem as a month from now, right? And a lot of these courses that are out there for people to buy, they're pre-recorded and they're only relevant for a certain amount of time. And it's also a lot more difficult with other courses to have that access to someone with that knowledge to look at problems that you're dealing with. And so from the start, Chase has made you feel appreciated and made your questions and concerns feel appreciated within the account. So I picked up my first account last year and the client was spending $1,000 a month on Facebook ads. So I actually learned the fundamentals of it. And then I also learned how to scale. The client scaled his budget to $50,000 a month 3 months later. And Chase walked me through that entire process and we did it profitably, which is awesome. And these clients are still with me, a lot of them that I picked up last year, a year later now. And again, if it wasn't for Chase and everything that I knew about Facebook ads and how to do it now, they wouldn't be with me. So huge shout out to Chase, and I definitely recommend working with him.